Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find and purchase the advanced diving gear in Fish It Roblox. So this is the advanced diving gear. This is the advanced version of the usual or the common diving gear in here with much more storage for oxygen. So if you're wondering where you can get this one, here I'm going to show you. So first you need to head to the Pirate Cove, and after that you can just go inside the Pirate Cove until you see this pools right here. Then at the end you'll see the advanced diving gear. So this is how it will look like, and as you guys can see, you need to purchase it for 1,000,000 coins, and you can just purchase it here, and just like that you can put it on directly. So that's how you can get the advanced diving gear in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.